Today I thought I'd do a nicer dinner for you guys, and we're gonna have shrimp pasta in spicy beer sauce. Now I've got some Italian blood, and I wouldn't say that's an Italian dinner, but you know, it's kind of the tin cup chef way. So anyway, it's really simple. I've already got the shrimp cleaned with the tail off. All we're gonna need for this is pasta, garlic, tomato, some lemon for garnish. I got some parsley for garnish. Gonna use my rib rub for spicing up this dish, and maybe a kick of red pepper flakes too. So anyway, with that said, I got some water ready to boil. I'm gonna use that Wealers stainless steel cook set. So this will be the first time with it. I'm anxious to try that out. And it was nice that it comes with a little pan that I can use to boil the pasta and drain it out real easy. So with that said, let's get started. Alright, now this is blasphemy if you're Italian, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm gonna break spaghetti. We'll let that boil for 12 minutes. Okay, on the shrimp, I'm gonna use my mixture for rib rub, because it's got all the spicy stuff that I want on these shrimp. There's a lot of cayenne and pepper, paprika, some other stuff. Alright, pasta's done. I'm gonna go drain it. Oh, oops, my pot tipped. Anyway, I'll fix all this and get back to it. We're gonna add our garlic. Just need a minute to get that garlic flavor into that oil. Now we can throw our shrimp and tomatoes in. And we're going to cook this until shrimp gets done. Okay, I think we're about there. Need about a half a cup of beer. Just so happens I have some here. Okay, we'll let that simmer a minute there. Okay, now we're gonna add the pasta. Just have to get that heated up, and then it's ready to be plated. We'll shake a few red pepper flakes on there, cook it up even more. Okay, I think we're about ready. I can plate this up now. We'll throw some parsley on there. And that's the way you do it the Tin Cup Chef way. Enjoy.